5.1, request for extension of street litter and recycling bin collection contract. Mr. Dennis Lewis.
Good afternoon, Your Worship, Councillors. I have here an agenda item for the extension of the street litter and recycling bin contract. I would like to take the item as read and I'll take any questions.
Thank you very much, Dennis. Any questions of Mr. Lewis? Obviously, the contract has been performing up to standard.
That's correct.
You've met all the KPIs?
Yes.
Yes.
It seems to me, Mr. Lewis, one of the smaller increases in the contract was not quite a lot.
That reflects the value of the contract, Councillor.
Just a question, Your Worship. On page 27, Dennis, it says fluctuation costs and increased waste disposal cost due to an increase in waste being collected. Is that, are we getting excess stuff in the bins, or?
We're not getting excess stuff in the bins. It just represents more frequency of cleaning, and that's largely dependent on the number of people that are visiting. So we get more people on, like, Labour weekend, a lot of people, that tends to generate more waste.
Are we still finding that some people do abuse and put household rubbish in the bins, or?
You do get some isolated incidents where people do abuse the bins, and we tend to follow up on that and have a look through the rubbish and go back to the owner if we can identify that.
Okay.
What's the view on that, Dennis? Because every time I come down the lakefront, someone is putting some household rubbish in. So it's quite a common, with the big jumbo bins. So it's 6,500 hour in it, really.
We do our best to track who's doing it, and we'll have a serious conversation with them. But
so it is against the, so it shouldn't happen.
It shouldn't, no.
No, it shouldn't happen.
No.
All right. Any other questions of Mr. Lewis? Okay, recommendation there. The Council approves the final one-year extension of contract to street litter and recycling bin collection contract, March 2018, February, and the contract be increased by 210 to total value. May I have a move, please? Thank you, Councillor Hackling. Seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried. Thanks, Dennis.